Hi, my name is Leonid Shvab. I am a front-end developer. I would like to invite you to look at a short overview of my tasks from the last year. I worked only on the front end. We work as a small team on a web project in part-time mode, me as the front-end developer, a lead back-end developer, and a QA tester. We made many small improvements, but I will show only the main features. I added a modal window for collecting order data. The modal is fully configured on the back end and can have different cards, or even have no steps at all. I also kept the option to use the old modal for data collection. I redesigned the checkout page. Added an accordion to show or hide the order list. I improved the logic for coupons and tips. And added an option to pay at the counter. I also updated the overall design. I added a new payment method using Adyen Advanced Flow, drop-in. At the moment, new approach supports simple payments, payments with a redirect to an external service, and payments with built-in 3D Secure. We also support payments using the payment methods chosen by the lead developer. We also keep support for the old payment methods. The admin panel decides which payment method is used. First, I will show the simple flow. Here you can see an example of the successful payment page. The user can download a receipt, give a rating, leave feedback, and subscribe to the newsletter. If the user gives 5 stars, the restaurant can offer an extra external form to fill in. Now let's see how the built-in 3D Secure looks, and the modal window for an extra charge. To show this, I changed the settings in the project admin panel. You can also see the modal for additional charges. In my opinion, it is a risky feature, but it is common in many enterprise solutions. And now, a simple 3D Secure with redirect to an external service. I have created a flow to handle errors when a payment does not go through. Now, let's look at an example with a password error in the redirect flow. And now the last test with a successful payment. After this, we will move to the next features. We also added a login and registration feature. You can open the login page through a modal or 2 buttons. The modal and the yellow button are fully dynamic and controlled by the back end. Now, let's look at the sign-in flow. I tried to cover most tricky cases, like unexpected reloads, internet problems, or wrong navigation. I also implemented logic so that a user can skip consents and later go back to continue the registration. The details page is fully dynamic, just like the modal for collecting order data. Overall, the authorization module is fully dynamic. Any registration step may be missing depending on the user's account status. There can be only login, full registration, or just consent confirmation. Let's move to the profile sidebar. I added a public page with a list of all orders. I also added a private user page where the user can change their settings. Overall, there is still a lot of work and improvements to do in the client app. At the same time, we are improving the admin panel. We have now launched a new module for the stop list. Here, you can disable products that are no longer available in the menu. An interesting feature: if you add all products from one category and choose the same recovery type, the category with several products automatically collapses into one item at the top. The stop list search also works, but let's skip it. Here is a quick example: a product from the stop list also disappears from the menu. The next module is now in development. It is a table where you can set the times when a product is available or not. Right now, it is still in development, and the backend is not fully integrated yet. We also have categories with products. You can manage both the category and individual products. You can also drag from the corner of a cell, like in Excel, to copy the value to other cells. The status can be changed by pressing the space key. The UI also allows making exceptions for specific days. By default, the schedule is for the whole week, but you can add exceptions for certain days. You can choose half-hour slots. For example, alcohol available from 14:30 to 22:30. For less common cases, we have a 15-minute grid. The table is not fully integrated yet, only the UI is ready.